Today I feel really driven in my life and in my job. I'm proud of my success. I feel at peace with myself. In my heart, I know that success doesn't happen by chance. I owe it to myself. The main thing is to believe in you. You'll always encounter challenges, but to move forward you have to take on responsibilities, fully commit, communicate, and work as part of a team. You should always demand the best results. It's vital to be dynamic in my job, to be creative, and to always develop and imagine new solutions. We have to be able to juggle both strengths and talents, whilst trusting one's instincts. I'm always excited about starting new projects. I see how the project's going to change the future. This is what makes me, me. It gives me so much energy. I feel young and more confident than ever.